I'm extremely excited to present this gorgeous low-set opportunity here behind me. What I love most, it's positioned on a very low maintenance block, it has modern finishes all the way throughout, and you've got numerous parklands right at your doorstep. I'm Riley Munro, and welcome to 28 Montegrande circuit here in Griffin. Let's check it out.
When your heart is raised to raise and the speed of light. When your heart is raised and the speed of light. When your heart is raised to raise and the speed of light. When your heart is raised and the speed of light.
As you can see, homes of this quality do not come up often, so if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give us a call. Cheers.